of my first commercial jobs was in Barra in the Outer Isles, building the pier at North Bay. But when I was there, I saw a chap diving for scallops. A few years after that, I'd moved to Skye, met my wife, got married, and around about the same time we started trials of scallop farming. Then we moved into scallop ranching, and that's basically what we've got today. Our scallop fishery is something called a several order. It's called a several order because it severs the public's right to fish. They can fish for other species in there, but the scallops, they belong wholly to us. To get a several order, you have to prove to the government that what you're doing is of a benefit environmentally to the fishery in general. Our scallops produce something like 10 million spat each, as opposed to a wild scallop from the deep water, which may only produce 100,000 spat. We can't control where the spat settle. A lot of them settle in the several order, in the deeper water in the loch, but a lot of it goes 10 miles north and 10 miles south of the several order, so it's regenerating the public fishery as well as the private several order. On the seabed, the sediments are enriched with waste products from the scallops, full of little beasties, worms and tiny crustacea. And every time the scallop opens and closes, it agitates the seabed as well. And the fish go in and feed on the titbits that have been exposed by the scallop just actually feeding. So you get the little fish that come in, bigger fish come in to eat the wee fish. The eider ducks, the golden eye and the Slavonian grebe are all there to feed on the fish, and we do see more sea eagles. I believe that is directly a result of the scallop fishery in the loch. Our scallops are twice dived. We dive once when they're round about 3 or 4 years old. We lift them from the seabed in the relatively deeper water. We move them into the shallower waters, protected waters in the several order in Loch Sligo, where the plankton is thicker. Water temperatures in the summer can be higher, so they grow a little bit faster. The scallops are where they really want to be because they spend all their lives trying to get into these shallow waters where they naturally want to go to feed on the thick plankton. And it's in these areas, in these shallow waters, where the meat gets denser, gets firmer, and the flavour is really, really special.